Hello my fellow YouTubers again. Today we're going to talk about Chinese beef. How do they do it? Well, they do it a certain way. What they do is they cut the beef a certain way and they put it in a marinade with some bicarbonate of soda or baking powder, which I've got today. It's the same stuff. Yeah, and you mix it in there with a few Chinese wine and some salt and some sugar and stuff like that, and then you leave it in there for, I don't know, maybe 2-3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, and then what you do is you put it in, you blanch it basically in some boiling water and cook the beef that way, and it ends up with that tender jelly beef that they do. You don't need a decent cut of meat like a sirloin or ribeye or anything like that. You can just use frying steak, just a cheap cut, not braising steak or anything like that, stewing steak, it won't work. But today I've got a rump because it was an offer. So let's get to it. Right, here's my beef. I tend to just cut it like this. Yep. Fat and all. In fact, I'm going to take that little bit of sinew off there because I don't want that. Just takes longer to break down, really. Yeah, just cut it at the angle like that. Let's cut this rind off. And just cut it like this. Bicarbonate of soda will break down all this stuff here. Put that in it. Right, let's put it on in here. Let's cut them down a bit, actually. This will be just one portion. Right. Okay, run through the ingredient. We've got some potato starch, the usual suspects, some dark soy sauce, light, some baking powder, some rice wine, and some MSG. I'm going to put a bit of salt in there as well. So let's get to it. Right, just play this by ear really. Right, you want, I don't know, not much, half a teaspoon. Some light soy sauce, probably the same. Some wine. Some salt. Same amount of MSG. Some pepper. Some Take starch, tablespoon. What I'm going to do is just going to mix it first. About a teaspoon of this. It's better. Now, once you've mixed it, put a little tiny bit of water in it. Not much. Right, you want to cover that, put it in your fridge and leave it for a couple of hours. Right, we'll say this has been in the fridge for a couple of hours. What you want to do is you want to get a saucepan with some boiling water in it and just put the beef in there and cook it for a couple of minutes and then drain it. You will start getting a bit of froth on the top. That's completely normal. I'd say the longer you keep it in this solution, the more tender it's going to be. But I like a bit of chew to it, so I'd say 2 hours, 3 hours maximum. And then put it in your boiling water, and then you can put that in your Chinese dish, whatever you're cooking. And that's it, guys. So if you like it, like and subscribe, and I'll put all the quantities down below. All right, see you later. Bye.